Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build a list of potential cash buyers and Hi there, real estate investor. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a game-changing topic for you. How to find cash buyer for your wholesale properties. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, I have got you covered. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be armed with the most effective strategies to locate cash buyer ready to snap up your wholesale deals. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turning on notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. My name is Korianne and I'm excited to share more of my real estate investment journey with you all. So let's dive into it now. Several weeks ago, I released a video discussing the lucrative world of real estate wholesaling, demonstrating how it can yield assignment fee ranging from $5,000 to $40,000. I emphasize that wholesaling real estate has the potential to replace your traditional 9-to-5 job. To achieve this, it's impressive to connect with cash buyer or fix and flip investor who leverage hard money lenders to safely acquire your wholesale properties, generating substantial profit. If you have not watched the video yet, I put the link to the right hand corner for you to watch it. In this video, I will review both online and offline strategy on how my local acquisition managers were contacted by wholesalers whenever they have new wholesale deals in areas where I have invested. This strategy will empower you to build valuable connections and seize promising opportunities in the wholesale real estate market. Talk about online strategy. Number one is social media and online forums. First up, let's dive into the digital realm. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are treasure trove for connecting with potential cash buyers. Join the real estate investment group, participate in discussions, and showcase your wholesale properties to a targeted audience. Additionally, explore real estate forums like biggerpockets.com or connectedinvestor.com to network with fellow investors. Joining this social media platform is completely free, and you can easily search for and become a part of your local cash buyer investor group. Number two is real estate websites and listing. Utilize a real estate website and listing platform like Zillow.com, Realtor.com, or Craigslist.com. Create an eye-catching listing for your wholesale property, complete with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. This platform attracts both seasoned and no-voice investors, increasing your chance of finding cash buyers. Number three is email marketing and newsletters. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build a list of potential cash buyers and send out regularly newsletters featuring your latest wholesale deals. Craft compelling subject lines and provide valuable information to keep your subscriber engaged and eager to invest. The majority of my wholesale property I have obtained in the past has been sourced from emails sent by wholesale real estate investors I have previously worked with. Now talk about offline strategy. Number one is real estate networking events. Now let's step away from our screen and explore offline opportunity. Attend local real estate networking events, seminars, and meetups. These gatherings are gold mines for connecting with cash buyer face to face. Bring business cards and be prepared to discuss your wholesale properties. You should share with fellow investors that your niche is specialized in wholesale real estate and inquire whether they would like to be included in your exclusive investor VIP list. This way they will receive future email from your latest wholesale deals. Number two is real estate investment club. Join or create a real estate investment club in your area. These clubs often attract serious investors looking for their next opportunity. It's an excellent way to build relationships, showcase your deals, and find cash buyers willing to jump on board. This approach is an excellent method for building your power team, including professionals like real estate attorneys, local property managers, contractors, plumbers, electricians, and various other related trade service providers for your real estate endeavors. If you cannot find an existing in-person meetup group in your area, you have an option to establish a new one using meetup.com. Number 3 is local real estate auctions. Another effective offline strategy is to attend local real estate auctions. Cash buyers frequently participate in these auctions, scouting for investment properties. Strike up conversations and network with attendees to introduce your wholesale deals. I will give you the bonus tips. Number 1 is develop a killer deal package. Before you start your search, create a compelling deal package. Include all relevant property details, financial projections, and photos. A well-structured deal package can pique the interest of potential cash buyer. The bonus number 2 is leveraging real estate wholesale platform. Consider using online platform like Deal Machine, PropStream, or Real eFlow. This tool can help you streamline your wholesale business and connect with cash buyer more efficiently. Deal Machines is a comprehensive real estate software that allows wholesalers to find, analyze, and market properties. It includes features for property research, lead generation, and direct mail marketing. Wholesalers can use Deal Machine to identify potential deals, gather property details, and reach out to potential cash buyers. PropStream is a powerful real estate data and analytic platform that provides comprehensive property information, market insights, and lead generation tools. Wholesalers can use PropStream to compile detailed property reports, assess market trends, and identify potential cash buyers in their target market. The last one is Real eFlow. It's a real estate investment software that offers tools for wholesaling, rehabbing, and managing rental property. Wholesalers can use Real eFlow to organize property leads, create professional presentation to cash buyer, and streamline their deal management process. There you have it, the ultimate guide on finding cash buyer for your wholesale properties, both online and offline. With this strategy and bonus tips, you are well on your way to building a strong network of investors eager to close deal with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more real estate insights, and ring the notification bell too so you will never miss any update. Share your success story or question in the comment below. And remember, the real estate market is full of opportunities for those who know where to look. As always, thank you for tuning in to my channel today. Until next time, successful investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!